Hey socialites, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Ariel. I do mainly beauty videos, fragrance, and lifestyle. So if you enjoy watching those kind of videos, I'd love for you to hit the subscribe button and come join the family. So today's video is going to be fragrance first impressions. Over the past couple weeks, quite a few fragrances have come out. I felt like last year they sort of waited to the beginning of the year to do these sort of new launches. But anyway, I did place an order with Sephora. I did a pickup order, and Mr. got me a few fragrances from Victoria's Secret from Christmas, which I've never smelled before. Let's try them out together and see what I think. Before we jump into it, I tried out, y'all, been playing in makeup all morning. I didn't record it, but I have so much stuff that I hadn't used yet, and I just wanted to kind of play around with it. But have you guys seen these? And I showed you before the new e.l.f. lip oils that are sort of frosted. Well, this is the shade Candy Coated. So I put this on top of like a Juvia's Place nude lipstick, I think Libra. So what do y'all think about this lip oil? I saw Onika Hurst do a makeup tutorial yesterday. I didn't realize they have a shade that's lighter than this, almost clear, and it looks so pretty on her lip combo. And so I remembered I had this and pulled it out. So I'm thinking about getting that lighter shade because it just looked like a really soft frost on her lips. It was really cute. So I'll put the link to that video in the description box for y'all to check it out. And on my eyes, my friend Michelle had sent me the Cultra palette, and I played in it once and did like a deep green, like a smoky green eye with it. And I pulled it back out today, and I tried out a combination of this gold, I think this gold, and then this sort of jungle green, like on the outer crease. And my earrings are like these green and gold Christmas trees. So I thought, let's try out green and gold with this palette today. This is a really good palette. Juvia's Place eyeshadows, y'all should already know, are like top tier. So this was fun. So let's go ahead and get into the reason why you guys are here. We're gonna start off with the Christmas gifts. So Mr. did get 4 fragrances from Victoria's Secret. The first one is Tease Candy Noir. I haven't got a Victoria's Secret perfume since like my early 20s. But I do hear really good things about their fragrances. I'm pretty sure they've evolved since then. Ooh, look at the bottle. So this is cute. The dark bottle is making me think it's gonna be deep and ambery, but I'm not sure. So let's see. It is candy-like. It's sweet, it's a little creamy. I feel like I'm picking up a little bit of the cardboard. Let me try this on my hand. Okay, so it's a little brighter on my hand. I feel like the cardboard was changing the way it smells. But it's sweet, it's a little warm. It does have like a candy-like sweetness to it. Sort of girly, but in a sexy way. This is pretty. It's my type of perfume, and I know it's something that he likes because he picked it out, but definitely something I will wear. Okay, so the next one, now I know this has to be like a deep, mysterious one. This one is Very Sexy Night. The outer packaging is sort of resembling leather. So I'm thinking this is gonna be kind of, ooh, look how it opens, y'all. It's giving luxe. Ooh, I think I like this one better than the Candy Noir. This one is a little, this one has a little bit, it's a little deeper and moodier, not a whole lot, but a little deeper and moodier. It is sexy. There's something in here that smells clean, like a luxurious soap, but then floral as well, and softly sweet. This is pretty. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay, so far this is my #1 fave. So next is Victoria's Secret Bear, and a few of the socialites told me that they really like this one. Like they really like this one. So because of the packaging, I'm thinking this one is gonna be more of a skin scent type of fragrance. So this is cute. Okay, Very Sexy Night just got moved to #2, and Bear is #1. This one is soft, sweet. It's very feminine. It's a little powdery. A nice everyday scent. This is like one of those easy reaches that no matter what the occasion is, you can pick it up. It'd be nice, pretty, and appropriate. So to work, to church, to school to run errands. Just fresh and soft, powdery, sweet, feminine. This is my vibe. So this is number 1, and then the Very Sexy Night is number 2. And the last one is Victoria's Secret Bombshell Passion. So I actually used to buy the original Bombshell back like in the early 2000s, like in my early 20s, like between the ages of like 18 and 22. But they didn't have all these flankers back then. They just had regular Bombshells. So let's see what Passion smells like with the signature Victoria's Secret stripe, but in a darker color. I love the packaging with the stripe on it. Smells different than I remember the original. It's sweet, it's very fruity with a little bit of a floral undertone, but I feel like the fruits take the center stage. It's bright, it's fun. There's something clean in here. I like this one too. So this would probably be number 2 or 3. So Bare is number 1, Victoria's Secret, the Very Sexy Night. Between that and this one are probably like close tie. And then the Tease is the last one, even though I do still like the Tease. So that's the Victoria's Secret. So another gift that Mr. forgot about. So after the video where I showed you guys my Christmas gifts, Mr. came in with another bag and said he forgot that he picked this up too. And this is a Burberry Goddess gift set. Now, I know what Burberry Goddess smells like when it first came out. This was actually on my top 5 best perfumes of 2023 video. But he saw the video where I was talking about the Lattafa Angum and that it's a dupe. And so so he picked up the actual real thing, because I only had like a travel size originally like a year ago when it came out, maybe a year and a half ago. So he just got the whole set. So it is the big one. It's the 3.3 ounce with the 10 ml travel size and the lotion. So you guys know what Burberry Goddess is giving. It's just a beautiful, sexy, grown-up, sophisticated vanilla that is just gorgeous. Oh my gosh, it's spicy. It's just so yummy, but I've never tried the lotion. So that's why I really wanted to open this with you guys. Okay, feels pretty hydrating. It's not thick at all. It smells very similar. It doesn't smell exactly like the perfume. It smells like, imagine like a regular generic lotion that has a little bit of the Burberry Goddess sprayed in there. So the lotion is okay in scent wise. It doesn't smell as dynamic and as just beautiful as the perfume. Smells okay, but I can only imagine it will be beautiful layered, you know what I mean? And you can get that longevity. So moving on to Sephora, I did a pickup order with some new fragrances that were in store. They did give me a sample of a hair strengthener by Living Proof, the Triple Bond Complex. I think I got one of these not too long ago from them. I hadn't tried it yet. So the new YSL Black Opium Glitter, and I have had a few socialites ask me to review this. So let's open it up. Just a black shiny, like black lacquered packaging with silver lettering on it for the travel size anyway. Y'all, this smells very nostalgic. It's a little retro. Like it smells like a fragrance from the 90s. It almost smells like the original, like a little bit more of an amped up original Black Opium. And if you guys don't, y'all, this is 90s. This is giving, when you smell this, it just takes your mindset to like 1991. Marshmallowy. You get like that coffee, like Black Opium. It's a little ambery. If you have the original Black Opium, this won't be too far off, so you definitely don't need both in your collection. But I do feel like I like this slightly more than the original Black Opium, but I already know this is something that I probably would not wear, y'all. I couldn't see myself. The original Black Opium, I wouldn't wear that either, but it's not bad if you like Black Opium, but it's very similar to it. I think The marshmallow note makes it a little sweeter and amped up on that note, but that's about it. And it smells super retro in my opinion. So Clean Reserve launched a new fragrance, which is called Whipped Cherry. So the box does say that it's yummy and irresistible. Very unisex. There's something in the undertone that's like cologne-like. You do get the cherry. It's like a sweet and a little bit tart cherry. Smells clean, like the original, like the DNA of Clean Reserve. To me, they all have the same DNA. And they threw a little cherry in there. It's kind of sweet, but it's not crazy sweet. Smells clean and sort of fresh like all their other fragrances. This is nice. This is something I would actually wear. So if you like their other fragrances, like, and it's crazy because I'm actually wearing Clean Reserve Sparkling Sugar today for my scent of the day. So these will probably layer nice together. So if you like sparkling sugar and if you like a cherry note, there's something creamy in here too. So I guess that's why it's called Whipped Cherry. So imagine the Clean Reserve original DNA, like that just fresh scent that has something creamy, almost vanilla-like, like almost like it could be whipped cream, but a soft little piece of whipped cream in there. And a little bit of a tart cherries, kind of sweet, little undertone of something cologne-like, because these fragrances to me kind of give unisex, but it's not like strong or manly. So it's nice. This is actually something I will wear. So then I placed a Sephora order for the fragrances that you couldn't get in store. And I saw on Sephora that Dolce & Gabbana came out with a new fragrance called Violet. Dolce Violet. Made in Italy. So let's see what she smells like. It's strong floral. So this is definitely a violet perfume. Smells like the flower, almost literal, like you literally picked the flower out of the garden. It's sweet and fresh. There's a presence to it. I would say if you like the Gucci Flora line, this may be something you'd be interested in. It's not quite as sweet as the Gucci Flora fragrances. It's sweet, but it's like sweet from a flower sweet, not like that added sweetness that you get in those Gucci Flora perfumes. But it's along the lines of those like that. But if you don't like the violet, like the scent of violet or a violet note, you wouldn't like it, but it's just like a fresh flower type of perfume. So this one's cute, it's pretty. So they put some samples in here. Hydrate. This is probably like my #1 favorite shampoo and conditioner, which is Hydrate. You guys, there's nothing better than this. Nothing better than this. So I got samples of that, and then Guerlain's, which I heard amazing things about this. I never tried it. Guerlain's Renew and Repair Serum. It's like one of those two-sided serums that you open and you sort of mix together. So Rabanne's Million Gold for her. Rabanne has a new fragrance, and I think Million is like one of their most popular fragrances, which I've never smelled before actually, but it's like one of their best sellers. So they came out with Million Gold for her. I know the men one especially people rave about. Let's see what this Million for her. And they didn't have that, their travel size stayed sold out. So I ended up just getting the, I think this is the 1 ounce. Yeah, the 1 ounce. Cute little bottle. This bottle looks real luxe. Oh, this is pretty. This is my type of perfume. It's pretty, it's fruity floral. It's fun, it's a little elegant. It's almost like a candy-like sweetness in the background, but it's not too much. A soft musk in there that makes it smell a little refined. This is beautiful. This is probably the star of the show from the haul, except for, of course, Burberry Goddess, but we already know what Burberry Goddess does. This is really, really pretty. Definitely a yes for me. So that's it from Sephora. Now, I did a vlog about a week ago, and in that vlog, sort of towards the end, I showed you guys some new fragrances I got, but I'm gonna quickly go over these because they're new and I know all of you haven't seen that one. So Rare Beauty has launched, remember last Vlogmas or last Christmas season, last holiday season, 2023 Rare Beauty launched their fragrance line. It's like a fragrance mist. You could put this in your hair and on the body. It was sort of like aromatic, sort of spa-like scent. Well, they've come out with a different scent for the line, and this one is called Awaken Confidence, and it's heavy on the peach. So I like this better than the original. Yeah, it's just sort of peach heavy. It has a little bit of those aromatics that the original has, but not as much. I like it a little better, for sure. Now, on the dry down on my skin, it sort of gives Avon Skin So Soft. If you guys remember Avon Skin So Soft, that's kind of what this reminds me of, but I do like the packaging of it. And then I did pick up the body cream as well, which is the same scent. Same deal with this one. I've worn this to bed a couple times. Mr. says that it's pleasant. I do think that it's nice, but it does give Avon Skin So Soft, in my opinion. But it is nice. And the hydration is there. There's decent hydration. It's not like the best hydration out of the body creams that I own. It's sort of like almost gelatin-like. Yeah, the cream smells almost identical to the spray. So you get a decent hydration. The next day, I still need to put on a little bit of lotion or body cream, so it's not one of those, but it's decent, you know? And in that same video, I was telling you guys that Ross's fragrances, their fragrance selection right now is crazy. Like AJ told me, what did your friend get from over there?
She got like Perfect and Daisy by Marc Jacobs.
Okay, so AJ said that her friend got Marc Jacobs Perfect and Daisy from there, but I saw Coach Sunset Dreams, which is one of my favorite fragrances. I saw a lot of fragrances there, you guys, for like 30 bucks, full size, and like not the 1 ounce, I mean like the bigger bottles. So check your local Ross if you're interested in some of the fragrances at Sephora and see if you can get it cheaper there first. But I had saw this, and I told you guys, if y'all saw this video, about the Banana Republic Dark Cherry and Amber. I had been seeing this for a couple years on just various sites and never picked it up, but it was 20 bucks in Ross. So I finally got it, and it's a cute fragrance. It's like soft. It's definitely giving cherry. It could a little cough syrupy. It sort of reminds you of, it's just kind of ambery, like a soft, pretty amber with the cherry that kind of gives cough syrupy a little bit. This is something that I want to pair with Baccarat Rouge 540 because the amber in here sort of reminds me of the amber in that. And cherry with Baccarat Rouge smells amazing. So I'm already knowing that those two together, this and that, is going to smell amazing. So that's how I'm going to wear this. And then they did throw in, I didn't show you guys, a Banana Bright eye cream, which is like my #2 favorite eye cream, like period. This came with the Sephora order. And that's it, y'all, for these fragrance first impressions. Let me know if any of you guys have tried the perfumes that I told you guys about. Have y'all tried that Black Opium glitter? What do you think? If you're new here, welcome. I'd love for you to come join the family by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. 'Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love, 'cause too fresh with the scars.